What's up, guys? So I know I've have like a video on IG using the makeup brush soap I make, and I've done it like on a live stream, but I think I'm going to start a subscription box. And on the website they have a spot for a YouTube video. I'm like, I don't have anything on YouTube showing how I use my makeup soap I make and how well it works. So we are going to be doing a battle of the brush cleaners. So I'm going to be using this one here I made. This is raspberry jam, and I'm going to be comparing it like to this soft soap soft rose. This is how I used to clean my brushes back in the day. As you can see, it's brand new. It hasn't even been opened. I have not used it since I have started using this. So yeah, let's get into the competition. So this is made with all natural ingredients. This one in particular has goat milk and shea butter. So what does this have in it? Water, sodium lauryl sulfate, cocamidopropyl bentane, sodium chloride, cocamide MEA, sodium salicylate, sodium benzoate, perfume fragrance, citric acid, sodium sulfate. Like, seriously, it's crazy. I'm just learning this, but there's no actual like soap in soap. One thing, I used a like waved cutter for this, and it's really cool because when I use the liquid soap, I also use a brush egg with it. But this, it's like the brush egg is like already made into the soap. Put a couple pumps of this in a cup. Let's do 2. Now, I mean, like, that does okay for like brushes that aren't that dirty, but when it gets to brushes with foundation and concealer, so I'll just show you a few regular brushes. Especially with bright colors like this or pressed pigments, it can be really hard to get out of, but not with this. So I just swirl it for a few seconds. If it's a color like that, I'll kind of massage it just because they can be hard to get out sometimes. But they got it out for the most part the first time. And just do a little extra measure. But yeah, clean. So let me find one with another bright color. Okay, here we go. So let's try it with the regular soap. I'm gonna dip it in that soap mixture and then see how the red dye doesn't want to come out? Nobody's got time for this. Yeah, like, here, I'll even add another pump of soap in there. Well, that did a little bit better, but that's like my 3rd time. Now watch. Completely clean. Ever since I've started using this soap, like my brushes are always clean because it's so much fun to clean them now that it's so easy. That's why these don't have much foundation on them. I've been keeping up with keeping my brushes clean. And they smell so good too, and they're so soft after using it compared to like that soft soap. Like soft soap is not soft. Look how easily it cleaned that. And like this, I originally started making this to clean my brushes, but then like after I would clean my brushes, I'm like, oh my gosh, my hands are so soft. So I use this for everything. It's such a great multi-use product. I'll use it to wash my hands. I've actually been using it to wash my face. I've been using it in the shower. And it's just because there's so many like natural oils, it is so much more hydrating and moisturizing and good for your skin than every other like drugstore soap. Oh, it's so soft. Alright guys, so that is how I clean my brushes. Let's go look at some of my inventory. I did this little, instead of a cake, I have a mountain of soap. This is just one of many boxes. I got black cherry. This is raspberry jam. This is what I used up there. Cashmere. Oh, I love that one. It smells so good. Raspberry vanilla. Let's see. This is cream cheese frosting. We have pink peony. This one is electric lemonade. And this is Pacific Pearl. Oh, this is one of my favorite scents. I did some more Pacific Pearl the other day, right here. And they even got little pearls in them. Okay, this is passion fruit rose. And this, oh, that's cherry blossom, I believe. No, it's electric lemonade. Some more pink peony. It's got some Pacific Pearl. I got, this is a little cute one with like heart embeds. Oh, I love this one too. This is Grapefruit Glow. Got some fun, like clear ones. These little stars.